first of all, we should be clear uh, in what perspective are we talking about IF. So IF has its own set of benefits. So it's like fasting. It gives your body a lot of time to digest the food. It gives your body a lot of time to heal itself. But again, if you're talking in terms of weight loss, like you just said, so I don't believe IF will give you some extra benefits, because there's a simple concept that weight loss works on, that is calorie deficit, eating lesser calories than your body requires or burning more calories. So see, IF requires you to eat in a certain period of time, that is 8 hours of eating and 16 hours of fasting. And you can change this as well, like you can be eating for 10 hours and fasting for let's say 14 hours. So if you are eating, let's say, if your body requires 1800 calories and you're eating 1400 calories on IF in the period of 8 hours, your body is still getting those 1400 calories. And if you're eating those 1400 calories divided throughout the day without IF, your body is still receiving those 1400 calories. So there won't be any significant change in terms of weight loss when it comes to IF, but IF has its own set of benefits. It betters your digestion, it gives your body a lot more time to heal.
All right.
So I don't believe it will give you any extra benefit of weight loss. But again, those people who tell you that we have been losing a lot of weight on IF, that is because they would have been eating lesser. They would have been eating lesser calories than required, because if you're eating in a span of 8 hours, maybe you're not having as many meals that you were having in a span of, let's say, 16 hours. So if you were previously having 3 meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner, you may have like 2 meals in a span of 8 hours while IF. So that is why you would be losing weight unconsciously, eating lesser calories than your body requires.